What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, basic relationships and sizes, man? I'm gonna come back to the main man, Hardstop. The man who just ain't playing these games. You think it's a game? He ain't playing it. When the store greeter is ignored and things get bruh moment. Link in the description. Ain't playing these games. Let's go. All y'all snuggle day in store USA. 50% on? What the? Wait a minute. What the hell?
Welcome. How are you today? Amazing. Well, let me know if you need any help.
Damn.
Welcome, sir. How are you doing today? I'm doing wonderful. Thank you for asking.
Oh, okay,
And you?
fine.
Oh my God, I'm doing so great. Thank you. Serious question. Can I help you find anything today? Thanks, but I'm just gonna be looking around. Okay. Well, you know where to find me. I'll be right here. Just
like
let
that.
me know if you need any help.
Hey. Oh
Welcome
my
to the
God.
clothing
It's
store.
Gina.
How are you today?
Oh, it's Gina. Gina.
Are you looking for anything specific?
Just smile. Just smile.
I don't know if you heard me back there when I was literally a foot away from your ear canal, but I said, okay, you're on thin ice right now, buddy. Whoa! Do we have a problem here?
Is there a problem here?
Come here! I'm right here. Oh, okay. Now why are you yelling at my customer? I'm apologizing on his behalf, by the way. I am not apologizing. So it's not on my behalf, by the way. Okay, why are you acting like this? Because this is totally different. She won't let me do my job. Look, you know what I said to her? I said, well, are you looking for anything specific? Okay, as scripted, as you're trained to do. Of course. And you know what she said? No, because I wasn't there. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, that's rude. Very rude. But that still doesn't give you a right to raise your voice to my beautiful customer.
What in the hell?
Get back to your post. Sir, go.
Some bull. I'm a grown man. I ain't gonna sit here and deal with this. I ain't playing these games. I'm looking at you. I'm waiting for my greeting. He gonna go back out. Come back in. Hey, Gina. Greeting. It's Gina, right?
And like I said, welcome. How are you today? I know you noticed me. Give me attention.
Oh.
I'm right behind you. You can look at me. Where's your man? Do your job. I'm not playing these
games. Are you in these games?
What are you doing? I just wanted you to acknowledge me. Can't you see I'm helping a customer right now? She's not even
Oh,
paying
my
attention
Lord.
to you. Not yet. But I almost had her before you bothered me. Turn around. Oh my. You failed. I gave you an order. I told you not to yell at my customer.
Wait, what the hell?
Customer. But you didn't know that this time.
Wait, what? Wait, hold
You
on.
was yelling at me
Wait.
on purpose? Yeah, I'm stumped. I don't know what the correct answer is. See, that's what I thought. You keep your voice down. Sir, I'm just doing what I get paid to do. I know that's false. Because you didn't get paid at all.
Oh.
You're right. This is your last warning. So can I ask you a question? Like a serious one? So where's the actual customer? Because
And
I promise
where
you
is
existed.
the money?
I wasn't hallucinating.
That bitch just. Oh my God, she faded into nothing.
So where did you get this outfit from? We sell this shirt. Where you think she got it from? But we don't sell the wig. So you just had the wig too? Or how'd that work?
Fired.
Get back to work.
I ain't playing these games. It's some garbage, man. 50% on, man.
Oh, hello. Welcome. How are you?
Oh, he just trying to get the. Hi, all right. Oh yeah. Come right back in. Great. Oh, he go. Oh,
Stop playing with the damn gun.
where the hell did he go from? Go and check out another one from the main man, Hardstop Luke, aka man. When you taking that test right, taking your finals, you know what I'm saying? And you got that, you know what I'm saying? They got a little bit of that, and it's not because you didn't have breakfast, it's because you had a big breakfast. You know what I'm saying? Well, you know what? Been there. That actually happened during my last final. Anyway, when your stomach growls during the test, and you either hungry or not hungry, let go.
I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking? No. What class you wearing that in? Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Nothing, I'm fine.
No,
I
you
just
ain't.
got a headache.
I mean, did you
did.
eat breakfast?
Nah, I was in a rush to leave out, so I didn't get a chance.
That's
Oh,
all. Oh
well,
my
if you're
God, all
hungry,
the time,
I got
bro.
snacks in my bag if you want
Yep.
some.
I appreciate it, but nah, I think I'll be fine.
No,
it's
you
just
ain't
3
gonna
more hours until lunch anyway.
You
So-
did.
All right, don't say I didn't offer. My eyes! Just close them. Damn! All right, my beautiful students. Today's y'all favorite time of the month.
No, the hell it ain't.
Today, we're gonna get started early today. Y'all tests is already on y'all desk. When I say start, you may flip them over and begin.
Start.
I said when I say start.
He did.
Start. Start. He said start.
He said start. He's not okay.
No.
Oh my God.
What are you doing? So no then? Until
don't
I say the word, I don't want to hear any talking or noise of any kind.
What
if
word?
I hear anything besides those pencils and that paper, we're gonna have a problem. Obviously, I'm not in the mood for it today.
I'll
Do
wait.
We got that clear. I said, do we got that clear? Yes, whatever.
All right, then. You may all begin.
He
So
didn't
did
say
we
the
start
word.
it? I don't think so.
I'll
He
punch
didn't
you in
say
the face.
start.
I'll stop you.
There it
Ah,
is.
That's the one.
That's
See
what
what
we was waiting
Okay,
for.
then. He gonna kill all the children. The kids gonna cry. That was me, bro. That was me, fam. Oh, looking directly at your ass.
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to keep it down. I'm trying to do my test, and you're being very inconsiderate right
Bitch, it's my stomach, man. I can't control that shit.
Yeah, I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late. I already gave them to Gina.
God, no, bitch, this bitch having freaking Thanksgiving dinner. Them snacks.
Don't keep making these noises. Don't let me find out who it is. I know y'all know, but y'all not telling me.
Hold
I
up.
said no noises. I meant no noises.
Hey.
So don't let me find out who the
Hold
culprit
up.
is.
Got that stomach sound.
Okay, well, it must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work.
Oh, he cried. He cried in the car. He gonna cry in the car. Oh my God, no, nothing among us.
Who is it? Steven? Whoa, don't look at me. I heard it coming from Kevin.
So I've been sitting next to Kevin this entire time, and I got 100% say. It can't be him.
Well, what do you have to say about
Hey.
this, Kevin?
To be honest, I think it's Ryan.
You bitch,
I think
Ryan.
it's Gina,
What-
to be honest with you.
Who the fuck is you?
Yeah, she's been kind of sus. Very sus.
And she eat. Who the hell? What
Well,
the
Gina,
hell?
what you got to say about that?
Gina don't talk.
Well,
Gina don't talk. Don't you know? Gina don't
Well, I guess
talk.
that says
Hey.
it. All in favor to kick out Gina?
Aye.
yeah.
Me?
All right, then. Now stay calm as I grab your legs.
Oh my God. Wait a minute. Oh my God. Hold up. Still making the sounds. What?
It wasn't me.
Don't you lie to me. I knew it was you.
Oh, you touching it.
Oh, are you getting smoked with me?
He's talking to his
Oh,
stomach
I you
directly.
off. Oh, I'm not playing these games.
I ain't playing. Oh.
Okay, so now
Bruh.
finish. Now
No.
y'all can finish y'all test with no distractions. Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left in class. Just get y'all test
This
done.
man tired and crying.
For me, please. For yourselves.
Ultimately useless. Tests don't mean shit.
Oh, no.
Oh, emergency meeting. Gets us. That's gonna do it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Nice, short, sweet, to the point. But man, my main man, Hardstop Lucas, he ain't playing these games. So we got to make sure we win at life. So he ain't gotta play these games. Bars. Link in the description, of course, in the main man, Hardstop Lucas. But if you enjoyed this video, take your beast mode cause of awesomeness juice. And and until next time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and beasts, will just say love, peace, bow, stay, peace, song for the epic queen of all the wing. Oh.